Hey, Ken from Metalmatic here. Want to introduce you to our newest tab that's made for our lateral tension bar system. This is called the shoe tab. Okay, it looks a little different than anything else you've seen. You see here? And what it does is, well, we first developed it for this PBR bar, Beast bar, the 16-inch bar. You guys are wanting something a little lighter, a little more convenient to carry around. But anyways, these tabs will oscillate 15 degrees this way and that way, so you can go over rounded or uneven surfaces and stuff like that. And they're a little smaller than the 6-inch ones because you have a little different, little less space. So these will be standard on the 16-inch PBR Beast bar. They also fit the original push-pull beams. You can see though, they rock back and forth on that. They go on with little pins like this, just like my other tabs. And they will also fit the swivel winders. The swivel winders that will work with your hero blocks that go on your porta power. They fit right in there. You can swing it back and forth. Or the spreader bar. They will go in there also. So we got those, and they also fit the push-pull beam offsets and the push-pull beam straight. So these are the shoe boots. They'll be on site here pretty quickly, and you can get them for any of your tension systems. So it will give you that little extra play you need to get over and around different grades and configurations and contours of the vehicle you're working on. Just something a little more convenient, get you a little more versatility out of your tension bars. So they're called shoe tabs. Look for them at metalmatic.com under collision tabs.